called planetary winds. As Madhusri already said, it is also divided into three types: trade winds, westerlies winds, and polar winds.
Polar.
These are the three types of winds in planetary winds. We already discussed it. Later, second one is periodic winds. Any one of you, which is called periodic wind? Periodic winds. If you have answer, raise your hand simply, and Elias give opportunity to speak. Any one of you. Periodic winds. Periodic winds means winds which blow particularly in one direction, and it is reduced to some season. In only one season it blows and move towards a particular direction. Yes, what are the types of what is the name of this wind in India? In India, periodic winds are common in India in the name of southwest monsoons and northeast monsoons. With the help of
Southwest monsoons.
yes, monsoon means it is derived from Arabic word mausam. Mausam is nothing but season, a period. Now, in India, we are in monsoon season right now. What is the season name? Do you know? What is the name of the monsoon season in India? What we are now in this month? Do you know? Any one of you? Raise your hand. Yes. Any one of you raise your hand. Not only Madhusri, all of you think and give the answer. It may be right or wrong. We are not going to scold you. Please raise your hand. Whether it is maybe wrong or right, we have to respond first of all. That is most important. Any one of the students, the monsoon gives more rainfall here during the time of June to September. చెప్పండి మీరు మాట్లాడండి.
Rainy season, sir.
It is also called rainy season, but I am asking on what name it gives more rains in India. Two types of monsoons are there: southwest monsoons and northeast monsoons. Now we are in southwest monsoons. Southwest monsoons. నైరుతి ఋతుపవనాలు అనే పేరుతో మనకి ఈ జూన్ నుండి సెప్టెంబర్ మధ్య కాలంలోనే మనకి వర్షపాతం నమోదవుతుంది. Yes. Now come to the today's class. Last one, local winds. All of you listen carefully. Last one is local winds. Local winds means winds which blow in a particular direction, in a particular time, in a particular restricted area. In a particular restricted area. For example, Fan, Chinook, Blue, Mistral, Bora, Puna, Pampero. These are all different names of the winds. Once again, I am repeating. Listen carefully. Fan, Chinook, Blue, Mistral, Bora, Pampero, Puna. These are all the different types of local winds. Local winds definition, once again, winds which blow in a particular direction, in a particular restricted area. These local winds. Now, look at the map.
Oh.
All of you turn your phones mute. Kokoroko sound disturbing. Continue the class. Next.
अरे ಅದು ಕೋಡ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ
All of you turn your phones mute. చేస్తే రావడం నెక్స్ట్ రావడం ముందు ఓకే మ్యాప్ ఒక పిక్చర్ రాలేదు మన ఫోటో తీసి పెట్టాను లేదు 1 minute ma. All of you take your textbook, page number 44, page number 44. Look at this picture. Types of local winds, hot local winds and cold local winds. The winds feature is hot means hot local winds. If they are very cold, the wind very cold, then it is categorized as cold local winds. Now, in this page number 44, you can see the hot local winds. Examples of hot local winds. All of you look at the textbook. Chinook, Lu. These are the two winds they given. And Fan in Europe. Chinook in USA. Andes Mountains. Look at the picture. It is in the screen. It's a wind. See, the arrow mark shows the direction of the winds. Direction of the wind. Now, this is the Rocky Mountain, which is in USA and Canada. Rocky Mountains extended in USA and see that it is Rocky Mountain. See, one side of the Rocky Mountain, moisture loss and it gives rainfall. Opposite direction of the Rocky Mountains, here warm air moves towards this side. See, arrow mark showing here, this is Chinook, the name of Chinook. Actually, Chinook means the name of the tribe, the people who lives in Rocky Mountain, Andes Mountains. Chinook, name of the tribe. They are very near to the Chinook wind, and they are very common to see them. Chinook wind. So the wind name on the name of tribe people. So it is called Chinook. Now look at this image. See this picture, Rocky Mountains, Andes Mountains. Look at the map, world map. This is North America. All of you look at this, North America, I'm showing. And Rocky Mountains in North America, USA, this is USA, and this is Canada. This is South American continent. Andes Mountains. This is Andes Mountains. Mountains means it is one landform. Elevation of the mountain so high, altitude is on the basis of altitude of the place, we define the landforms divided into three categories. One is mountains, plateaus, and plains. Now I am showing Andes Mountains. Here in France, in Europe continent, this is Europe continent. All of you look at the map. This is Europe continent. Here from east to west, Portugal, Spain, France. Here France, where I am showing here France. In this area, France, Alps mountains are there. Do you know what is the mountain name in India? What is the mountain located in India? Any one of you? మొత్తం స్క్రీన్ కనపడాలంటే అవునా? Yes. Any one of you raise your hand? What is the mountain located in Soumya?
Sir.
What is the name of the mountains in India?
Yes, sir. Himalayas, sir.
One mountain. It is one type of mountain, folded mountain. You know that in the lower class we discussed about
Yes, sir.
type of mountains, folded mountains. Another name of the mountain in India?
Yes.
Any one of you?
Everest, sir.
Not Everest. Who said Everest?
Everest.
Everest is a peak, part of mountain. Madhusri, part of.
Yes, sir.
Not a mountain. Now, Deepika from, I think, Deepika, Rayalpeta, Deepika. Okay. Any one of the, another student? Another name of the mountain which is located in India. No one? Yes, Samatasri.
Rocky Mountains.
Rocky Mountains are located in North America. I am asking name of the mountain in India other than Himalayas. Okay. Unnaramma? It is very nearer to desert. Great Indian desert, Thar desert. Another clue. Mount Everest is one of the peak located in Himalayas. It is not mountain. It is a peak, highest peak in the world. Okay. It is over for you. Tomorrow, in the next class, you try to give that answer. Another mountain is there in India. What is it? Avasishta Parvata. Yes. Now, another picture. Weather and climate. Weather. The climate at a certain place and time, how much wind, rain, sun, etc. there is, and how hot or cold is. How the weather is today outside of the house? How the weather? Cloudy. Here in Kalikiri, the weather is cloudy. Sun is not looking to see. Sun is not there, not visible, because clouds are covered. That means temperature is less. So depending upon the wind, rain, sun, we define how the weather is. The weather report is very common in the news channels, newspapers. All of you observe today and tomorrow's newspapers and news channels. when the news is come, then you come to know what is weather. So many factors decide weather. Wind, rain, sun. These are the some of the features they decide. Now, when in monsoon season, the winds blow towards southwest direction, and rainfall is very common in this season. Clouds are very common to see in the sky. This is the situation. What is the situation very common during the summer season?
Very hot, sir.
Very good. Somebody is saying, say loudly. Very hot.
Hot, very hot, sir.
Temperature is high. So weather is very hot.
Very hot. Yes.
Very hot. That means it is in a certain place and not for a long period. It's for short period, for a day. Within a day also, within the day, weather changes. How can you say that? Within a day itself, weather changes. How can you say that?
By seeing climate, sir.
With the help of
Yes, sir.
weather. I already said some clues. Wind, sun.
No.
Isn't it? Yes, I do explain. See, in the morning time, raindrops fall down on the earth. This is weather. Weather rains. It rains. In the afternoon, sun appears. Now hot. The weather is hot.
Hot.
In the evening, winds moves very fast. మనకి గాలి ఎక్కువ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు మనం ఏమనుకుంటాం, మా గాలి ఎక్కువ ఇస్తుంది, వెదర్ డిఫరెంట్ గా ఉంది అనుకుంటాం కదా. ఒకసారి వేడిగా ఉంటుంది, ఒకసారి వాన వస్తుంది అదే రోజులో.
చల్లగా.
Yes, sometimes winds blow very slowly and we feel pleasant.
Pleasant.
Not go means we feel sultry, hot. This is the difference in weather in a day itself. So weather means not to a particular, not to a long period, for short period, for a certain. Why I am saying I am using the word a certain place. Now in Kalikiri, the weather is very cloudy, covered with clouds. But in Pilleri, it may not like that. In Tirupati, it may not be like that. Now in Tirupati, weather is raining. In Pilleri, hot, sunshine. Now I think you understand what is weather. Weather is different places at a time, in a particular time, and it is not for long time, only for particular time and place. So this is about weather. Now, next one is climate. What is climate?
వాతావరణం.
Wait. Climate, yes, I explain it. Climate means it is for long time. That means first of all, you have to know what are the elements of climate. See, temperature. Look at this picture. Yes, temperature, atmospheric pressure, wind, humidity, precipitation, cloudiness. These are all the elements of climate. With the help of them, See, for the time of decades, if you take, I have some disturbance. Some phones are in unmute, so that what they discuss in their houses, we are facing the problem, and it is interruption for our class. All of you turn your phones mute. Cooperate. One phone unmute. It is interruption for our class. Please.
అయ్యో
Somebody again, we have disturbance. Turn it clear. Now, climate. Climate is description of the average atmospheric conditions for areas over a long period of time. Sometimes some decades. What is the climate of India? Now, the answer should be, we have to get some features of the climate. What are they? For long time, not for today's report.
సరిగ్గా వినపడం
What is the report of summer season? What is the report of rainy season? What is the report of combinedly for some years, for decades, కొన్ని దశాబ్దాలు 10ల సంవత్సరాల పాటు భారతదేశంలో ఎలా ఉంది? వరదలు వస్తాయా? ఎక్కువ వరదలు వస్తాయా? ఎండ కంటిన్యూగా సంవత్సరం అంతా ఒకటేలాగా ఉంటుందా అనేవి మనం నిర్ణయించాల్సి ఉంటుంది. So based on these, we define seasons are common in India. You know that what are the seasons? Summer, winter, isn't it? Rainy season. See, we define with the help of climate. Climate is for long term, not for short term. Once again, look at the slide. What are the elements of weather? Temperature, atmospheric pressure, wind, humidity, and cloudiness. For climate, but for long term basis. Now I think you understand what is the difference between weather and climate. What is the difference between weather and climate? Once again I am repeating, weather means it is nothing but for particular winds which blow for a particular period. What is the situation outside with the help of sun, wind, with the help of sun, wind. For example, now sun is not appearing outside in Kalikiri. Now it is cloudy. Clouds are obstacle to see the sun. Sun is there, but it is not visible. So it is cloudy. Clouds are between sun and you. So cloudy. So this is the weather condition based on the sun and wind. Now, second one, climate. Climate means based on the atmospheric conditions for areas for long time, long period of time. What climate? See, elements of the weather of climate: temperature, humidity, precipitation, and cloudiness. I think you understand.
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between climate and wind? Next one is humidity. 1 minute, next slide. Yes, before going to the humidity, first of all, look at this map. In this map, where India is, Himalayas are located here. Himalayas. Another mountain which is given as homework. Here the mountains are here, near to the Great Indian or desert. The next class we have to reveal the name of the another mountain is located in India. Here Carpathian Mountains, Trans-Alps Mountains. See, these are all the different names of mountains which are located in world map. All of you take physical world map and try to find out the mountains where they are located, and it is homework class. Now to post it in WhatsApp group. I am giving the homework every class, but you are not continuously posting the homework in the WhatsApp group. All of you listen. Homework for today. The name of the another mountain located in India other than Himalayas. Number 2 is locate the mountains on the world map with the help of atlas. Take an empty map and point out the mountains on the world map. Next one, humidity. You already know what is humidity. The last water vapor. Water vapor present in the atmosphere is known as humidity. గాలిలో తేమ పదాన్ని ఏమంటున్నాం అంటే మనం ఆర్ద్రత అంటున్నాం. హ్యూమిడిటీ. It is also part of atmosphere. Which it is one of the factor in atmosphere. It reflects the weather. It decides the weather and climate. Now, when you are in summer season, how do you feel? What is
Very hot, sir.
You feel
Very hot.
Very hot, sir. Very hot.
Yes. What is the next step? What's your how your body respond with the hot when the
Heat.
very hot? Sweating.
Sweat also, sir.
Sweating is very common, but you are not very pleasant at the time of sweating, because it is not turned into water vapor to the atmosphere. అది తేమ ఆరిపోయి ఆ వాతావరణంలో కలిసిపోకపోవడం వల్ల నువ్వు అలా ఫీల్ అవుతుంది. సో here there is relationship between the humidity and temperature. You can see in picture 46, very humidity is high. That means feel very dry in desert. The moisture is derived from the plants and our water bodies, evaporation. It is called transpiration, evapotranspiration. Transpiration, what is transpiration? Water releases from our body in the form of sweat. Water releases from the they are playing. Their voice is disturbing the phones are not. All of you turn your phones mute. All of you turn your phones mute. Now, the water in the body of human and plants and this is called transpiration. This is also called evapotranspiration. Humidity is the amount of water vapor. Once again, I am repeating that. Humidity is the amount of water vapor in the air. In high humidity, our sweat does not cool. గాలి లేకపోవడం వల్ల మనము మన శరీరము వదిలే చెమట అడిగా ఉన్నటువంటి Aviri we will not feel very pleasant. So that when you feel very pleasant, when winds blow and your sweat disappears from your మన గాలి వచ్చినప్పుడు చెమట పట్టుంది అప్పుడు గాలి వస్తే మనం ఎలా ఫీల్ అవుతాం they are very pleasant how the winds are blowing yes now the body is cool body comes down so this is happen so this is all happens with humidity here we explained about relative humidity what is relative humidity the maximum water vapor that is air can hold in given temperature then it is called relative humidity the actual amount of water vapor it holds at any given time is relative humidity thoroughly page number 44 to all of you look at the textbook page number 44 to page number 46 now for any doubt regarding this lesson we ask first question in the next class another one is hydro so any instrument barometer galvanometer hygrometer any one of you barometer what is barometer do you know what is barometer what is barometer raise your hand any one of you do you know any one of you it is an instrument to measure atmospheric pressure yes another one thermometer any one of you know thermometer do you know thermometer at least raise your hand who knows thermometer ఎవరు తెలియని వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారా అందరూ చేస్తారు యాక్చువల్గా thermometer Victoria madam also thermometer
Measurement of fever, sir.
Victoria madam also in the class yes it's an instrument to measure temperature how what is the temperature right now in our body is it over than 98.6 or 98.6 then we come to know that our body is suffering with fever or our body is stability in temperature so these are all instruments measure now another one is hygrometer we measure the humidity water vapor present in the atmosphere it is an instrument what is the instrument to measure the humidity in the atmosphere hygrometer
Meter.
all of you try to see it in Google what is the image of hygrometer the world is in your hands all of you one cousin to the students one is in your hands it is also in your hands because they have faith on you they given phone to you smartphone